how to fix slow and lag problem on Roblox. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple, so keep watching until the end. All what you have to do to make your Roblox more faster is very easy. Just go to the top corner and on any server click on the Roblox logo and then go to the settings page right here, and then just go right here down and you will find many options. As you can see, go to the graphics mode and make it manual, and then all what you have to do is make the graphics quality as low as possible. If you have it, for example, in 4, just make it lower to 2, and then all what you have to do is just go down and you will find the micro profiler, make it off or make sure that it's on off, and then all what you have to do is go back and I am sure the problem is solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.